for now, we switch focus to more news break coming in. This is regarding Chief Minister of J&K's visit to the national capital to meet the Union Home Minister Amit Shah. In fact, getting in details regarding the issues that will be taken up in this meet between Chief Minister Omar Abdullah and Union Home Minister Amit Shah. One of the issues that will be taken up is going to be restoration of statehood for J&K. Let's go across to Arawat joining us on the broadcast. Arawat, good morning. That's going to be one of the top focus stories through the day, the visit of Omar Abdullah to the national capital. How significant is this visit going to be? Because the J&K Chief Minister has time and again maintained that restoration of statehood for J&K is one of the big promises which he will be working on to implement the promise that he'd made in the manifesto as well.
Very good morning, Samiksha. As we have seen that the Chief Minister Omar Abdullah is expected to meet Union Home Minister Amit Shah today to discuss the various issues of the Kashmir Valley, including the key issues, which is the restoration of the statehood and the business rule. Might be also discussed today. This will mark the second visit to the New Delhi by the Omar Abdullah to meet the Union Home Minister Amit Shah after assuming the office of the Chief Minister in the Union Territory of the Jammu and Kashmir. So it's gonna important discussions what Omar Abdullah is gonna to be discussed with the Union Home Minister. As we have seen that as per the sources, the top issues will remain the restoration of the statehood. Also, the discussions of the business rules will also be discussed. Also, we have seen from the yesterday that the different statements coming out from the various political organizations that they are saying about the discussions should only about be the restoration of the statehood in the Jammu and Kashmir. So all eyes will be on the today's meet of the Omar Abdullah with the Union Home Minister in the New Delhi. Yes, Samiksha.
All right, Arawat, thank you for the moment. For now, we switch focus to the other focus stories we are tracking. Now, the Union Home Minister Amit Shah, while he concluded the constitution debate in the Rajya Sabha, spoke at length how freedom was crushed under Nehru's rule. He further spoke about the Uniform Civil Code, which he said is going to be implemented very soon across the country, and added that it's the Uttarakhand government that is leading by example by implementing the Uniform Civil Code in the state.
आर्टिकल 368 में संविधान संशोधन इसके लिए प्रोविजन किया गया। अभी कुछ राजनेता आए हैं, 54 साल की आयु में अपने आप को युवा कहते हैं और ये घूमते रहते हैं, संविधान बदल देंगे, संविधान बदल देंगे, संविधान बदल देंगे। मैं उनको समझाना चाहता हूं कि संविधान बदलने का प्रोविजन, संविधान के प्रावधानों का बदलने का प्रोविजन अनुच्छेद 368 के अंदर संविधान में ही है।